Okay guys, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade fire starters that you can use for camping, and it goes in little cubes. Right now I'm doing like a double boiler effect. I got a metal bowl with some wax pellets in it. I'm going to wait for that to melt down and I'll show you the rest there in a few minutes. I can't take credit for this. I seen this video on YouTube. Now the thing he said to use, I'm using just paraffin wax. I ordered this off of Amazon. It's just a plain bag. And this is the back. And he also said that you can use crayons. He said if you got crayons around the house, you can melt them down. So now my paraffin wax is starting to melt. Oh, I'm going to show you something else I got too. These are little packs. They seal over. They're all stuck together right now, but I'll pull them apart in a few minutes. You put your cubes into this and you let it cool down. Apparently, they're heat resistant. You could put the hot wax in there and it will not melt or damage it. So I bought these from Amazon. You can get, I can't remember how many. It's a big, huge pack anyway for 25 something. Now that's starting to melt more. I'll show you more in a few minutes. I got the bowl of sawdust outside because that's too messy to bring in here. I'm not bringing that in the house. Whoops, sorry, steam. But as soon as this is melted, I'll be outside. It's going to be loud because my neighbor's out with his ride-on lawnmower mowing his lawn. Okay, my wax is all melted. There's my sawdust. I'm going to start putting it in. And I got a popsicle stick. I'm just going to stir it up. He said you put enough in so that it gets like a paste almost. So I'm going to stir it up. I'll be back in a second. Okay, there they are. I decided to melt a bit more wax, so I decided to try one blue crayon. I know it looks like a mess. Live and learn, but the guy who made them on YouTube, he said he did the same thing. He had the same problems and mistakes. What he said, after a while of doing these, he said you'll get used to it. So I just got to close, but I'm going to reopen them back up because they're hot. Let them cool down and harden. And when they're all hardened, I'll make a fire and show you how good they are at starting fires. So I got my wax and I got one small blue crayon. I melted it because he said you can use crayons and wax. So I just wanted to try one little crayon in it. So okay, I took one in the house where it's not so loud and you can actually hear me. It's starting to cool down. I said I got more wax on top. What he did, this is my first time doing these, so I screwed up. But he said he screwed up lots of times when he was first making them. He said, live and learn, but he makes them really neat and tidy now. But what he does, I was supposed to add more wax. I didn't add enough wax. When he gets them in like this, he puts a sprinkle of sawdust over the top of this wax. And then when they're cooled down, he seals it up. And it looks like little sawdust cubes. But mine got wax on top. There's not enough room for the sawdust. But like I said, I'll learn next time. These are only for me anyway, so next time I'll have them done a lot better. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a fire. You can see there's a big pile of paper and cardboard in there. I had a big huge cardboard box. It was in the way, so I tore it up. So I'm going to burn it. I'm going to try out my cubes. They did get wet. The rain, whoops, went on them. I'm still hoping that they light. So I'm going to try them and see. Put one there. And oh, everything's all falling over. One up there. I don't know if they're going to burn because they are wet. I can feel them. But I'm going to try them. It's my fault. I left them. I had them in the tray and I left the tray open outside and I forgot to pick it up that evening and they got wet. Oh, they're burning good. Yeah. Even wet. Look at that. That didn't really work. Oh, sorry, that's my fault. I gotta get in closer. Camera makes it look like I'm right on it. Oh, they burn really well. Well, like I said, they're not the prettiest, but they burn. Good fire starters, and you can hear it. Well, I'll be making some more of those because I got a big, huge pile of sawdust around my home. So I'm going to start making some more of them. I got loads of trays. There's the stack of trays I bought as 2 stacks, one on top of the other. They're both the same length. I think there's 50 or 80 or something in a pack. So I'm going to make some more of those. They are really good fire starters. Even though they're wet, they still caught